Hi, Don here, German 3D printer nerd. And today we have a update on the Ausmerzer Battleship. Excuse me, but I can't get rid of this cold that I have. But anyway, here it is. It is, I'd say, about 50% finished. Still have a lot of small parts that I have to print, and as you can see, motors, they do work, but they move. You can turn them, you know, to make it look like as if it's flying forwards. Yeah, they fit tight. But now it's really going to be a challenge because I've only got a couple more parts that are big enough so that you can print them on the FDM without any problem at all. But oh man, there are a lot of parts. All the itty bitty teeny weeny cannons and everything that, you know, everywhere where you can see a hole, there's going to be a cannon. The cannon that comes back here, that's a large one. I can print that one. Yeah. And then there's 3 fan ducts that I have to print. That comes on top of here. And then cannons and no more cannons. A lot of cannons here. A lot of cannons here. And then, oh yeah, a lot of windows too. Thinking about just printing them in different colors, but unfortunately, that active spray for that CA glue that I have, for some reason, it's leaving some white marks on the filament, on the part what's printed already. So that means Don's going to have to paint this one too. Oh man, and that was looking so good. That was looking so good. But yeah, we'll see what's going to be going on with this one. I mean, it's really looking nice. Already got landing pods on it, but for some strange reason, I don't know why, when I put it on the desk, it's front heavy and doesn't stand alone on its 4 feet that are in the back, because there's a lot of weight on the front, on the front side here, yeah, and all 4 feet are here in the back. So that is a bit strange. I don't know, but yeah. Anyway, something that I'm going to have to check out, you know. Maybe I have to put some weight here in the back or something like that. Who knows? But anyway, I just wanted to give a quick update on this one so that y'all know I'm not just sitting around doing nothing. I'm doing quite a bit, so to say. Right now I'm printing something else with a multicolor filament. That'll be coming up on the next video, because that's then a review for a filament. Anyway, till then, take care everybody, and happy printing.